What's up everybody, it's Sean here, back today to give you guys a review of the Nike Dunk High SP in the Pure Platinum colorway. These Nike sportswear Dunk Highs released on Friday, November 13th for $120 US or $160 here in Canada. The official colorway for this shoe is white and pure platinum, and this is a very simplistic, very low-key release. The upper of the shoe is pretty much entirely constructed out of leather. As we take a closer look at the toe box, this is a smooth white leather and we have these perforations found throughout. The quality of this leather actually surprised me. It's actually pretty good in hand. It has a nice softness to it, and it doesn't have that synthetic plastic feel that a lot of Nike sportswear releases have. So towards the middle of the shoe, this is again all constructed out of that smooth white leather. And then stitched on top, we have a Nike swoosh. And this is done in this pure platinum colored leather, which really is a light gray. The side wings of the shoe are also constructed out of that smooth white leather. This surrounds the back heel of the shoe as well. And there's a small leather pull tab at the very back. For the laces, these come with a flat white colored lace. And underneath this, we have this white nylon tongue. And at the very top, we have a nylon tag with Nike branding in pure platinum. The inner collar of this shoe is pretty well padded and is lined in this gray colored textile. And then taking out the insoles, these come with a gray colored insole with Nike branding stamped on the heel. So the upper of these Dunk Highs sits atop this white colored midsole, and then turning the shoe over to the bottom, here we have your classic Dunk outsole. This is entirely constructed out of the pure platinum colored rubber. We have the circular traction pattern on the forefoot, and it's finished off with Nike branding in the center. For those wondering how these fit, so I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and overall I'd say that these guys do fit true to size. Whatever size you normally wear for your Dunk Highs, I'd stick with that same size, and if you haven't worn a Dunk High before, my best bet would be to stick true to size. If you're still unsure about sizing, you can find the right size for you over at feetlot.com. So that's feetlot.com. And on that online platform, you're able to key in certain sizes of shoes that you already wear, and then they're able to recommend a size for you based on that past shoe data. So again, that's feetlot.com. Moving on, talking about the comfort. Overall, not much needs to be said about this shoe. It feels pretty flat to the ground and pretty firm on foot, and there's pretty much not too much cushioning within this sneaker. Still, it's going to be an okay shoe for just everyday casual use, and as long as you're not expecting something super soft, then I think you'll be alright. One added bonus is that the leather they use on the upper, it's actually very soft and it feels pretty broken in already. So it's not like a really stiff leather where you're going to have to wear a lot of times until they break in. Straight out of the box, they felt pretty good already. Last but not least, quickly touching upon the quality and construction of this shoe. So I touched upon this earlier on in the review. The leather quality was pretty impressive. Again, it has that nice softness to it. And when you press into the leather, you can see the leather grains. So especially considering the pretty low price point that this shoe is, the fact that they give us semi-decent leather was a nice added bonus. Beyond that though, the actual craftsmanship on this pair, it was fine. Nothing amazing, but nothing bad at the same time. So all in all, this is a pretty solid, well-built shoe from Nike. With all that being said, now let's lace up these pure platinum Dunk Highs, and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. With so many Dunk releases this year, I gotta say this is probably the most low-key Dunk release of them all. This is the type of shoe that definitely would have been sitting at Foot Locker stores even a couple years ago, but that's not to take anything away from it. It's still a very well-crafted, decent quality sneaker, and if you're looking for like an all-around kind of shoe that you can wear to the ground without worrying too much about it, then I think this would be a pretty good choice. I think the resale prices on this kind of reflects that. It's hovering just a little bit above retail, so if you struck out on this pair last Friday, then you shouldn't have to break the bank to pick these up. So let me know in the comment section down below how you guys feel about this white and pure platinum Nike Dunk High. How do you guys feel about this overall look of the shoe? And is this a pair that you guys picked up, or was it just too plain for your taste? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at sgo8. Check out my Twitter account at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thanks so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video.